have, you can't make me have heart attack. Anytime me have heart attack, I must be over me, and I'm got that.
You know, it's sad because Marcia could have been one of them in my ears, right? That is just a funny-ass Jamaican woman. And that's the saddest part about it, right? And she could have been over here all her life, but just be one of those Jamaicans that tell the truth. And that's it. And make people laugh. Based on the things that she say and she do. And the type of fucking friend she is and how she treat the people that watches her. This is why when she so-called cussing people, she put these things on people. Or try to. In an argument. Where all her arguments come from? On her page. People telling her the truth. And they have to back down and become something else that she wants. And then they lose themselves like that. And it happened in a lot of places because we're basing shit on truth. Don't speak on one woman. I think you don't have anything going on at the moment, and the little fire that you have left, it's going out. So you have to keep it up and act like somebody doing something to you. You just like the rest of them.
God, I mean, we got a birthday party, and it was nice. And if you look at the people, and when look at, if you look at...
How many times you had a 50th birthday? How many times you sold your 50th t-shirts? Way after.
The people come to that indoor palace place.
I lie, man. That shit looked like a club, like a little sports bar around the corner, man. If you look at the door of that place, you didn't even have a proper DJ. It seemed like you brought your karaoke, your fucking karaoke system to that place. You always overdoing something. You couldn't even sit back and relax on that big chair that you had all for yourself. You had to MC. You had to do everything. What's wrong with you?
Little carpet house, nice chandelier looking down, and well comfortable. They have space, they not chuck up like a blood clot sardine. They were well comfortable.
Of course that shit was spacey, my dear. Wasn't a lot of people there.
The parts of my YouTube a while ago, they were not even the blood clot host no look good. Big pussy clot, big America with nice clothes. Not even the host no blood clot look good. Who not come to the meet and greet. The America have a long sleeve clothes in a big pussy clot 89 degrees, out of 90 degrees.
So this was... Oh, hell yeah. You seeing that shit?
So when it then you tell me now. Don't me look on her. Make it pass over to YouTube and see her. Look on her baby. All that up.
Marcia, let me tell you something. You hear me? You ashy than a motherfucker all over. And them hands is ugly, sweetie. Your face is over strong. And I think the reason why that one from YouTube is standing up for you, because if y'all put y'all fucking faces together, it's a whole laugh. Two motherfucking animals from different species. Shut the fuck up. That's sad. One woman just exposing in a silence and bring out, empty out everything in our mind. About 3 or 4 hours exercise on a little body security ways all the time. I'm assuming him. That's what make it so funny, because she don't need a body security. You need a blood clot job.
This Ashley short and good nice short sleeve clothes. When I look at it, that two double belly me see. One.
Hey, you have clothes where you no wash. Catch up in here all in one on wheels. Let's see it. It don't look good. Then say you wash your pissy front in your front seat. Actually?
Belly at top one belly at bottom. At least me have one big
Hey
glass.
bitch, roles versus love angles. Man love angles. You don't have a blood clot thing. Look how you spoil the girl dress on July 13th. Look there. That nice young lady. You make the dress look like completely something fucking else. Everything you try to fit in on. You ever see she's forced her wearing or nothing like you? That's why I don't cross-contaminate. You're a joke.
They push out a two belly me see. And if me do meet and we will have a one nice linen pantsuit.
Baby, well, what should he have on? The breeze go right through it. Nothing never had a block it. You don't see you. Upside down water jug, you don't see you. Cash your head, you don't see you.
Never ask the short. If me plans and me and meet and we got something.
Let me tell you something. I woulda bitch shut up and just go do it. All of y'all. Whatever it is that y'all doing, just shut the fuck up and go do it. Y'all think I lie too much. And ain't doing what y'all need to be doing. Y'all only word of mouth. That's what's getting on my nerves today. Y'all looking for something. Y'all behaviors. Bet on it. Shut up.
Me never find one dress that I got Ashley short. Go buy one nice blood clot big blouse.
Good morning.
Go and see-through clothes like me I got pussy clot beach. I beach here go. They want to start with me? Motherfucker. Well, my friend I text me. Yeah.
Dad, and let me tell you something, my friend. There's some, she need a pay. You hear me?
Me not on the beach. She going to beach? That's a beach top. That's not a fucking
Hey,
dress,
it ain't like nothing, yo. It ain't like nothing. Like not answering somebody and just letting the Lord work. I'm telling you. And that's exactly what's happening. That's why I see the things I see. And it's fun me seeing it this way. Because then it would sound like something else. But for one woman to be this quiet, it's a pleasure for her to stay quiet and humble and keep doing what she doing. Because what she doing is all good. 100%. Because if the authorities don't find nothing wrong with it, ICE don't find nothing wrong with it, what the fuck is we worrying about? That's them with the bullshit.
You want to start with me? Huh? Well,
Hey, I just come and I want to pull, I don't want to show up certain things. Like, because she's a beautiful woman. You know what? That's why I'm not cross-contaminate. I don't cross-contaminate because it's a fucking disrespect. I could only speak, but I asked them the questions. But just to put this one and, no, ain't no side by side. It's a hell no, because they ugly as shit. Some of their faces doing the rock away. We don't dance, we just rock away. That's what they fucking faces like, so they bringing their mouth to that woman. like she can hear it. Stop cussing at the fucking bricks, bitch. Every move she take, dumbass hoe.
What do you know what mine is?
Yeah, you.
No work. I'm come off. I work. To go to meet and greet. Tell me now.
You know, I'm glad I ran into this video. What is it your fucking business? When your meet and greet in London, it was anorexic. Get the fuck in front of my best friend number 2, Marcia, and take all them hoes that I call their name right with you. All of y'all spread out like this and just get together and get run the fuck over. Cause y'all dumb.
Who did they write up on that chat and I suck me and Tina Chin must say this and me and Tina Chin and that. Then there's a question.
You and Tina Chin like to swallow. Like TD Jake says, swallow.
What are the people? Don't do nothing. Don't do anything.
You talk to them like shit and they turn around and kiss your ass.
Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you, big old dirty pussy old Gracie. You come on the page about dirty curly favor jackfruit drop in a book. You can't talk to people. Eh? Stinking old orange gal. You can't talk to people. Eh? Cemetery pussy gal. You can't talk to people. Blood clot handicap gal. You can't talk to people. Eh? You can't talk to people. Eh? You can't talk to people. It is a sin for people to talk to you. It is even a sin to talk to you. You know say you're done. You know say you have to look relevancy, have a curly. And you be a big crowd over YouTube. Move your dirty pussy out for your big old ugly girl. Eh? Put a big old girl. I relevance to this girl here, look.
Yo, your love stickier than that woman, man. Your face must smell by now. Your body count and putting your head up on that woman is very high, Marcia. You might want to stop that. Why?
What one on there? What one on there?
Oh, y'all be lying.
One on there.
Is that your eating bell, bitch? Is that your signal to eat?
One on there.
Don't like what the fuck I do. Like the truth.
They're on my YouTube channel right now. I can't talk.
Even when I'm not at work, damn it, I have more ambition than these motherfuckers. Because I ain't too long ago just came back in. And it don't make any sense for them not to have no goddamn ambition. All of them twinning it. And if ever a day people tell this bitch the truth, see, she don't like what she dish out. But she likes to give. Nonsense giver.
I'm on my YouTube channel. Eh? Cook up you. I look relevancy. Eh? Look at that girl drop off a shape. No know what it turn to. Look at the fucking girl head look big like a bicycle. Eh?
Hold on. She probably thinking the same shit about you. That your head look like a fucking cashew. Why she look like whatever you just said. You can pass. Alright, you motherfucker.
Look at you. Look at your big old cranny, big fucking dirty pussy where what's his name stretch out. Yeah, that can be boring girl like you send your big old cranny pussy ugly man. We don't be like black like a blood clot coal mine. Your big stinking pussy sour self.
Marcia.
And you come and call up my name. Move from here so I see you. I look money. Yeah, you big.
But you clock people's money, how much they make in a month, and all of these different things. You are the only eye accountant out there. You the CEO of that shit. You don't make no sense.
Stinking old girl when nobody don't want you. Move from here, so.
I think she hit you underneath that kangaroo pouch where it hurts. I think she know your funny spot. You think so, Marcia? I think so. I said it the other day. She know your funny spot. Tickle that shit. Make you spill dirty shit and all. Just to show exactly who you is, bitch. Stop making people curse for you that has been exposed just like you. Then I wouldn't be fucking doing this, bitch. I see the plans.
Blood clot, uno big deal, Marcia. Uno come over here so I look relevancy. Uno should be ashamed of ourselves. And me, uno have to go up to get views and share.
I don't want nothing but the truth to come out and for the people to look and see. That's a gift in its goddamn self, bitch. What you saying? That's a gift in itself. Are you an idiot or what? To tell the truth is a blessing.
I want to send me.
Nuh-uh. No, bitch.
Established company don't hire or in America, yeah. In front page. How to go up on the front page? You never do a better thing. And me blood clot Marcia to go up on that pussy clot.
Why should you go on the front page? You don't have looks. You don't have the means. You don't have a goddamn thing. You don't have the speech. You don't have nothing. You don't have the table manners. You don't have a goddamn thing. Not right now. Not right now.
And me, and the blood clot star, I give you no blood clot food for me. So I make the pussy clot advertise. Put that.
So hold on. So why are you giving people so much and you have so less?
Blood clot up. The nice pictures them. They show no how to live blood clot life.
Yo, that's exactly, let me tell you something. Just that's what's supposed to happen, babe. Because that's karma, you know? You see the detour? Yeah, man. That's why I'm a smile.
Come America and sit down on YouTube.
You're right,
blood
let's
clot
leave.
40 years and pay my taxes. You just come here. You just come here. They're not even blood clot. At this disrespect, bitch.
You tour guide with nowhere to live.
Which part you?
Shut up, bitch. You could just pop on somewhere and don't engage and just sit and chill and listen. And if you hear something funny, you can laugh. But it ain't have nothing to do with the fucking situation or nothing. And that's how people mind their fucking business. But you don't never know how to do that. Practice it. And if you can't, go by stamp time.
Did she that Walmart? Did she that Burger King or McDonald's?
She didn't need to go to fucking Walmart, Burger King, nor McDonald's, nor Checkers, bitch. Just to add on extra for you. She didn't need to go anywhere. She needed to be right where she was and have a grand time, bitch. That's it. And make it home safe. You know too fucking much.
Actually, from Miss Lawton, over Miss Lawton restaurant.
Don't call that woman's name. Don't call the chef name for shit, bitch. I can almost guarantee you sneaking one in there and go buy some shit. Don't call her name. You not to be trusted neither.
Where she is? When she got Canada, where does she go? Nowhere more than food place. No blood clot established company don't hire her.
You know what she doing? Minding her goddamn business. That ain't your fucking problem, nor your business. She ain't never had to pay a day for her name to get out there in song, bitch. And just say the good things them over our name. Get the fuck out of here. Jealous spirit, bitch.
Yeah. So who you popping style, man? Who you popping style?
You know what? She gonna pop style on y'all any fucking day because she know how to be quiet. She know how to be quiet, bitch. And none of y'all don't make no fucking sense. From the law point of view or anything like that, you bitches have been hit with the S. Shut up. Fuck out of here. Just by the way how y'all talk.
I don't see the girl going to Burger King, McDonald's, Walmart.
Why? Those are your favorite place? And why? Because they sell food in both areas? You need a little bit of grocery? Where you gonna put it? No, don't nobody need to go to the fucking stores that you go to for nothing. Don't nobody need to go any fucking where. Nowhere but where she needed to go, and that's it. Quit with the dumb fucking talk.
Jamaica and the place in there. And you are going to say we members only. And the people up there must have heart attack to get our blood clot Jamaica resort.
I mean, y'all can't mind y'all motherfucking business. The people is happy when they go to those restaurants and go see her. And that's the goddess truth. Who gonna go around that? Go eat a dick, Marcia. Shit. Y'all want people to get up with y'all stupid ass stories every fucking day. I don't mind people business like that, baby, but y'all gonna have to prove it with that one.
Eh? Then I want to jealous in there. What something I expect when I go out here? Should have died Jamaica life after my own can't pussy class travel.
I'm listening to you. Sometimes people don't like to travel, honey. People got other shit, you know what I'm saying, like some things they're, you know, fair or whatever the case may be. It could be 1,001 things. Be quiet, bitch, without thinking. Dang.
When I can't cross the water, the ocean, or the pussy class, you can't plane. So when I expect when I
you could never cross the ocean or the water on a pussy clot plane without a woman. You hear me, mama girl? Because that's exactly what you is. You love woman more than woman love blood clot woman. Bye, bitch. You one of them. You use a stagnant mama woman, big woman girl. And blood clot stable.
Then who would have hurt she?
A unstable spirit, like you and your friend them. And the whole owner don't stay good without fucking makeup.
On a cycle.
I glad some auntie know for cover herself. You understand? Because what we wouldn't see because phone yeah boy. Jeez, yeah. Marcia, you not get enough with them eyes the way you have already. You never born like that, bitch.
Echo. Me never see nothing in my life.
No, the whole I don't know hook up on friend side and friend side and want to find out the truth. You see, the truth tell me if you're nasty or not, you know. If you need some nasty blood clot people in a real life or not, you know. Yeah, man. Some people on an action, the things that want to pull with, it shows a lot. On a knob, nothing about on itself. Nasty.
When time we have advertised Macy's and JC Penney and Walmart.
When you advertise a man that have feet not like the nigga that you with. When you advertise you looking so good and a man can't put you up in an apartment or rent their own home. You can't provide none of that. Bitch, let me tell you something. First of all, You know, y'all are really... If them people here don't start thinking, people gonna start looking at them fucked up. I'm telling you that.
Contact to me. Otherwise, go sit in a careless blood clot down.
That's all you do is pollute the air in America. You go up and down and up the fucking street in that junky ass ride of yours. Your shower room, your kitchen, and your lunch room, bitch. In one.
Contact me. Then send me a message. This year some people out there agree to who them follow up on social media. I don't give a fuck who I go see she from, I go see she.
So why you was over there if you don't give a damn? You was being nosy at the time. I don't think, you know what? Fuck a live anywhere. I don't think that nigga got any kind of sense, baby. I don't think that he have any kind of sense, or he just don't care. It could be either or. I could never think like her. So I'm going to say either or. He just getting something out of her dumb ass. And just being around her for a few seconds or so. Just to make it up and roll out. I don't see it.
You know something right as well. I mean, know something I have no qualification. Not a soul planet. Not a soul recognize that yellow Jamaica. It just is the same thing.
Y'all give a fuck about people recognizing a bitch. The Lord recognize her, and that's all she need right there. Damn, what more she need?
Me got Jamaica, me got some of the biggest dancehall party. And me tell us,
Bitch, she ain't into that. I listened to something with you yesterday in private. And for you to sit up here and for these people to be talking the way they talking and buying out your bullshit, I think they all need to listen to that fucking clippings, bitch. Because you don't have nothing to offer. Not from a mother's point of view. No, nothing. Like, without people, you're fucking nothing, bitch. Imagine if people just stopped doing all of what they doing. You bitches would be on... You bitches will be on pause.
an artist that Jamaica turn up in a crowd and no Jamaican the boat go say hello to them, not take a picture with them, I pay for and I run up to them. The only time they get acknowledgement is when they come offering. Me got how much, me said name the party them 7 days of blood clot week, Marcia.
Shut up, bitch. All they have to do is come and stop the fake problem in the dance hall because all of them have something in common. They all went into it, bitch, because they wanted to feed their family, and after their family, their friends. Somewhere along the line, they lost their fucking way, and all the fake beef and all of this other extra shit. That's why we're not getting what we need as far as music, and it'll be because of big man bitches like you that likes that shit. Shut up, whore. You're nothing to the fucking community. You're just a watered down bitch. Be quiet. Dance hall. Fuck.
In a Tivoli store, he'll disappoint me. Come here, my friend. Him. And me I tell you, say not one Jamaican go up. We used to go Bounty Sunday every Sunday.
Shut up, bitch. That don't make you sick. Just to see that. And we all won. That don't make you sick. Don't love too much beef. That's why you bitches look like that.
Yeah.
Can't fucking move. Can't tell the truth.
The big party them and see the artists them. Not a soul run up to them. You know Jamaican people kind of ready full of pride. The only time they got little acknowledgement here and people run up to them to take nothing is when they land here in America.
The only time I know when you start your fuckery is when you don't eat before all your lives. And it happens every time. And it depends on what the food is. You ain't gonna stay quiet. When you eat that shit, it depends on what you're eating. That's what it is.
You wanna expect.
On a make
If she have
one
support,
woman.
you don't expect
On
her
a
to
make
come to the
one
place
woman, eh? On a make one woman were quiet. On a have people that talk about say she baga 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 baga. When a blood clot on a baga baga, because if a somewhere else on a day, on a get lashings from them big woman here what me see on the internet.